Welcome to Art to Living. Today, Anouk from 4GW will show you how to make a paper boat.
So what you need to do is you need to have a square piece of paper and put an X in the middle with a crease. Next you've got to fold it in half so it's a rectangle. Then you fold it again so it's a square. You see all of these little flaps of paper? You take 3 of them and fold it like that. Doesn't matter if it's neat. Then take the other side and do the same there. And what you should be able to do is get the inside, have it like that. Then you should somehow be able to pull it apart like that and like that.
Wow!
I'm not done, you know. What you're meant to do is it's meant to make it way better than mine. And there you go, you have a paper boat. It may not be that neat, but it's worth a try.
Now we're going to see Anouk and Serena with both their paper boats and see if which one sinks. 3, 2, 1, put them in.
Why'd you put yours like that?
It can't go like.
So you're meant to like swim there.
So mine's basically a seat.
Hers is basically a safe seat, and then mine actually has edges so you don't fall in, and so sharks actually can't bite you.
Well, you can you could just go in here to hide from sharks. But then it would go in.
Now we're going to see whose it sinks first. I'm going to just push it down.
You have to push it down a bit.
Serena, same as yours. Oh, no, God.
Oh, I think.
Oh, no. Mine's still floating!
Oh, wow! That's how good a boat they are. Thank you for watching
Mine
on
just
Art
has
to
water.
Living.
And now that's
They're full
pool.
up. Look. Thank you for watching.
That's a pool, and that's a pool as well, but sharks are coming.
Shark.
So, bye!